3D printing guy. If you followed this channel before, you know it was called Printed Prop Shop. And I still want to concentrate on some of that stuff. The only reason I kind of backed away from everything is I ended up getting a job, and since then that job's ended, so I'm concentrating a little bit more on my business, which is 3D printing guy. I'll do a majority of more shorts than anything. I'm gonna try to do maybe a long form every week, and maybe once or twice a week. We'll see how that goes. But to start is I'm just showing you how to create a file from a picture today. And what that is the logo for Shaw Air Force Base. So enjoy. So here's the Shaw logo we want to make the file from, right? I couldn't find even a PNG of it. I barely found a JPEG, and I definitely couldn't find a vector of it. So a vector is typically what I use to go and make any kind of file, and I usually make it in Blender, but I decided to make this in Fusion 360. So here's Fusion 360. If you don't have Fusion 360 yet, and you don't have it because of the price, just know you can get a hobby license, and the hobby license gives you 10 free files. And with those 10 free files, each file is pretty much an infinite amount of space, so you just build what you want to build and then export it, or you can delete it, and you just keep on going without paying for the actual program. I think the actual program has a little bit more to it, but as far as what I need to do, this is what gets it done, right? And I take that JPEG that I found and I upload it in here as a canvas, and I just traced over it. After that, you can go and extrude it to whichever way you want to. You can add lettering to it. I didn't keep the letters that were on there, I just used a different font that was fairly close. And so here's our exported file. The kind of cool thing is, once you go and export the file and you've got the STL file, you can size it to whatever size you want to make it. You can cut it, you can do pretty much anything you want to with it, just like you would any other file, right? And I think I'm going to go back and fine-tune it a little bit more. I don't think the depth on some of it should be as deep as it is. I'm happy with the font that I picked out. That was fairly close, and I went and sent it to the printer just to see what kind of results I'd get from it. After that, I sent it over to my K1 Max. The K2 had something for a customer on it, but I know you guys love the time lapses, so here you go, and enjoy it for a second. And here's our finished print. Sorry about the quality of the picture. I didn't really take a picture of it. I just decided that I wanted to go and paint it just to see how it would turn out. And here's just a little bit of me painting it. By all means, none of this is supposed to look really good. I did this very quick, and I just wanted to see how it would look, because I didn't do it on the K2, mainly because this would take 6 colors, and the K2 that I have right now, the CFS on it, only prints 4 different colors at a time. So it wouldn't have really done any good. I would have had to do some painting on it anyway. And after I got done painting, here's the finished product. By all means, this is not supposed to impress you at all. It's a really quick paint, just something to show you how it turned out. Now what should be impressive to you is, if you've watched any of the shorts where I made some plaques, is I can take that logo now and put it on any of those plaques, and say someone from Shaw wants to go and have it on there. I can have it in multicolor, as far as maybe just a black print. I could change it up and do it in just blue and white maybe, add some red, whatever they need to do. I just wouldn't be able to do all 6 colors. And there it is, guys. Again, my paint job should not impress you, and I'm not trying to impress you with my painting skills. What should be impressive though is the fact that it was taken from a JPEG that I found on the internet, and a fairly low quality JPEG at that. And I was able to turn it into a piece that I'm holding in my hand right now. I could add it to a plaque, I could add it to a clock face, right? You'll see in the next couple of weeks I'm going to release some video of the clocks that I made for a company, right? So take that in mind. If you've got a logo that you want to make into an actual 3D product, you can do that. Fusion 360, you can get a hobby license that's free, right? 10 free designs. It's pretty much an infinite amount of space. You can pretty much just use the one design file and make everything you need to make, right? So keep on watching, check out my shorts, and again, I'll try to go and keep up with long form each week, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.
Need a print? Give us a try. We're your friendly 3D printing guy. And remember, now offering discounts to returning customers.